Do you know what's worse than a check engine light? Not knowing what caused it. But what if I told you there's a scanner that can tell you exactly what's wrong in seconds and even guide you through the fix? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing out the Autel MaxiPRO MP808BT PRO, one of the most advanced diagnostic scanners designed for both professional mechanics and serious DIYers. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. First impressions and unboxing. Right out of the box, it feels premium. Solid build, bright 7-inch touchscreen, and that signature Autel layout we all recognize. You get the tablet-style scanner, USB cable, user manual, and the Bluetooth VCI. That's what gives you the wireless connection to the vehicle. No more tangled cables while working around the car, a huge plus for mobile techs. Setup and interface. Setup is simple. Connect the VCI to your OBD2 port, pair it via Bluetooth, and you're ready to diagnose. The Android-based system boots fast and runs smooth. No lag, no freezing. You've got an easy-to-navigate interface with large icons for diagnostics, service, data manager, and settings. Diagnostic power. This is where the MK808BT PRO really shines. It performs full system diagnostics, not just engine codes. You can scan ABS, airbag, transmission, steering, immobilizer, and even tire pressure systems. It reads and clears codes instantly, shows live data in graph form, and even can record freeze-frame data, which is great for analyzing intermittent problems. Special functions and features. It also comes packed with 28+ maintenance service functions, including oil reset, EPB, DPF regeneration, battery registration, and TPMS programming. And with the auto-VIN feature, it automatically detects your vehicle's make, model, and year, saving tons of time. All right, let's put it to work. I've got this insert car model with a persistent ABS light. Let's see what the MK808BT PRO finds. In just seconds, it identified a faulty wheel speed sensor. That's the kind of time-saving accuracy that pays for itself. Performance and connectivity. The Bluetooth range is solid, around 30 feet, so you can move freely around the shop while running diagnostics. And because it's Wi-Fi enabled, software updates are just a tap away. No need for a computer connection. Pros and cons. So here's my quick breakdown. Pros: professional level functions at a mid-range price. Fast and responsive Android system. Full system diagnostics and 28+ service functions. Wireless VCI with stable connection. Lifetime free updates for 1 year. Cons: it doesn't support ECU programming. For that, you'll need higher-end models like Autel MS906 or Elite. Battery life could be a bit longer. But overall, for the price, it's an absolute beast for any garage or mobile mechanic. Final verdict. If you're serious about diagnostics, whether you're a shop owner or a car enthusiast who wants dealer-level insights, the Autel MaxiPRO MP808BT PRO is hands down one of the best tools you can add to your setup. I'll drop the Amazon link in the description below so you can check current prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss my next automotive tool review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.